Tell me how to be closer to ya. Tell me how, and I'll do it, babe.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Pandora here, and I'm back with a new video. Today we're going to be doing this glamorous greenish smoky eyes, hollow smoky eyes. I don't know how to call it, but I'm loving it. I love the vibe. I don't know. What do you guys think? Well, if you want to see how I did it, then keep on watching. And before you leave, don't forget to subscribe and join the family. Let's learn together, explore together, and test makeup products. So if you want to see how I created this look, then keep on watching. So we're going to start with priming my eyes, and for that, as always, I love using the Too Faced Conceal, Contour, Highlight, and Retouch multi-use sculpting concealer. So this one is in the shade Porcelain. With Sigma S20, I'm going to be applying it all over my eyelid. And I'm gonna go in first with Armed and Gorgeous, and with the Morphe E27 brush, I'm going in the shade Axis. To intensify our crease and create that sort of a cut crease, I'm gonna go in with the Miss Glam brush, a T35, and Prowl. And I'm going to bring it all the way into the inner corner. With the BH number 3, I'm gonna go in back and blend the edges out. To highlight my brow bone, I'm gonna use a VIP with a Sigma E56. Using Top Secret, I'm going to go in the inner corner and the outer corner of the eyelid. Then in the middle, I'm gonna go with a coin. Alright, then I'm gonna go back in with Top Secret and kind of make the transition a little more smoother. Then in the middle, I'm gonna go with the VIP. Like a little tiny spot, I'm gonna go in with the shade VIP, and I'm gonna use my finger to apply it. For the eyeliner today, I'm gonna use the Black is Black from L'Oreal 24 Infallible. So now I want to go in the outer corner and intensify a little bit the outer corner more. I'm going to go back in the Prowl and just going to tap it in right here. There we go. Much better. Alright, then I'm going to do exactly the same thing, a little bit more in the inner corner. A little bit of mascara, and today I am using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. The eyelashes today are going to be Revive Dramatic Lashes. Alright guys, I'm gonna go finish my other eye and I'll be right back. For the concealer, I'm using my favorite Born This Way concealer, Multi-Sculpt concealer. I'm gonna apply it with the Sigma 3D HD blender. I'm gonna set it before it's gonna go crazy on me. To set my concealer, I'm using the Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I'm gonna apply it with a puff. To contour my face, I'm gonna use the Sigma Sculpt and Highlight, and I'm gonna go in with a Throw the Shade. Then I'm going to bronze it with a 24K. To highlight, I'm going to go in with a Shine On. For the under eye, first I'm going to put the black gel liner on my waterline. Then I'm going to go with the Prowl and blend the shade out. Then with the Top Secret, I'm going to blend the edges out. In the inner corner, I'm going to go with the VIP. For the lipstick today, I'm going to use the Star Look in the shade Rosette. For the lipstick, I'm going in with the Hickory Macchiato. And this is it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you did, give us a big like and subscribe for more videos like this. If you're not subscribed, I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye, guys.